Now we will have an experiment which is based on organic chemistry. Okay, experiment number 14 of your handbook, and the name of the experiment is to prepare dibenzyl acetone. The name of the experiment is to prepare dibenzyl acetone. Okay, chemical reaction which is involved in this is benzaldehyde, okay, plus acetone. They will react with each other in presence of alkali NaOH. Okay, and we will get dibenzyl acetone. Now see the reaction which is given in your handbook also. Now I will read the procedure, and whatever corrections are there or whatever points are to be discussed, okay, those I will discuss. You are going to make the corrections with your in your handbook, okay, with pen or pencil. Point number 1, take 0.5 ml of benzaldehyde, 0.2 ml of acetone and 5 ml of methylated spirit in small conical flask. What you are going to do? You are going to take a small conical flask, okay. Then in that you are going to take 0.5 ml of benzaldehyde. So 1 ml, remember, corresponds to 10 drops. 1 ml corresponds to 10 drops. So 0.5 ml of course corresponds to 5 drops. So you are going to underline 0.5 ml and write above that 5 drops. Okay. So take 5 drops of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde will be given to you. Okay. That will be kept on the side table. 0.2 ml of acetone. So 2 drops. 0.2 you are going to underline and write 2 drops. So 2 drops of acetone and 5 ml of methylated spirit. So 5 ml of methylated spirit, that is alcohol, that will be given to you. For taking that, you can take it with the help of measuring cylinder. So with the help of dropper, you are going to take 5 drops of benzaldehyde, 2 drops of acetone in conical flask. In the same conical flask, you are going to add 5 ml of alcohol, methylated spirit, with the help of measuring cylinder. Okay. Cork the conical flask and shake it. Okay. You will be given a cork which you are going to put to the conical flask. Okay, and then you are going to shake for 1 minute. Okay. After that, add 1 ml of 10% NaOH. 1 ml means 10 drops. So you are going to add 10 drops of 10% NaOH. So 10% NaOH is prepared for you separately. You are not going to take NaOH which is in the bottle in front of you in the rack. Okay. So you are going to add 10 drops of 10% NaOH dropwise. Underline, you are going to underline dropwise to the conical flask with constant shaking. Okay. One drop you are going to add and you are going to shake. Okay. Then cork the conical flask. You are going to put the cork to the conical flask and shake vigorously for about 10 minutes. You are going to shake for 10 minutes. Okay. Then intermediately you are going to remove the cork of the flask to release the pressure developed. When you are going to shake for 10 minutes, you are going to remove cork in between so that the pressure which is developed, it will be released from the conical flask. Okay. Then keep the flask for 20 minutes aside to complete the reaction, and then cool it in ice cold water. Ice cold water will be given to you. Okay. Filter the yellow colored solid. You will get yellow colored crystals, yellow colored solid of dibenzyl acetone. Okay. And wash with water. You are going to filter it. You are going to wash it with water. And recrystallization point. The last point is of recrystallization. Once you are getting crystals, they can be recrystallized or getting more pure crystals. So that recrystallization point you are going to cancel. Okay. So up to point number 6, you are going to follow the procedure. The procedure I am going to show you how actually it is done in the next video. Thank you.